Leah here from Kids Cook Real Food. We're off school just like a lot of you around the country, and we thought we should get on every single day and give you some sort of challenge. Sometimes this will be live, sometimes they'll be edited. We're thinking through like favorite snacks and meals and breakfasts, and you know, we're never gonna make you watch like an hour-long thing, right? If something takes a long time to make, we'll edit it down. Today we're making one of our favorite beans and rice meals, because my team said, Katie, you should show everybody like how to make beans and rice a little more exciting, because a lot of us might be doing beans and rice later, you know? So this is our favorite beans and rice meal. You can make it in an Instant Pot if you have one. You can start with dry beans if you have those. You can start with canned beans if you have those. You can make it on the stovetop. We'll give you all those instructions. It's super simple, and then we'll tell you how to dress it up to make it the most fun. Okay, so definitely follow our page. We'll be on every single day with some sort of video, some sort of idea to get the kids involved in the kitchen, cooking healthy food, using your pantry stores, making really good use, the silver lining of this time. Today we're doing 3 different lives. So first we're gonna show you how to cook dry beans in the Instant Pot. And you know, we're doing this like in Michigan time, it's mid-afternoon. We're gonna watch a family movie because we decided we're doing something fun and exciting every single day as a family. It might not be long like a movie and popcorn, it might just be short, but we'll do something special every day. So that's our thing for today. Once the movie's done, the beans will be done. We'll come back and show you how to assemble all the other ingredients. And again, yes, stovetop instructions included. And then we'll do a 3rd live when we eat dinner to show you all of our favorite toppings. Okay, cool? What else did I want to say? I don't even know, I don't remember, but that's okay. So in the Instant Pot, usually when you cook dry beans, you have to soak them, and it takes 4 to 8 hours to cook. Leah has measured out our double batch. We're doing a double batch of pinto gallo, and that's 4 cups dry beans. If you have a normal sized Instant Pot, a 6-quart, you can only do a single batch, so that's 2 cups. This is our big 8-quart Instant Pot, and it'll fit both. So the 4 cups are rinsed. We looked through to see if there were any rocks. There weren't, but I have found rocks in dried beans before. Go ahead and open the oil. Any oil you want. This just happens to be olive oil. 2 little glugs. So a glug and a glug. That's good. Those were kind of double hefty glugs, but that's okay. The reason for the oil is because the Instant Pot under pressure makes a lot of foaming, and we don't want any problems with the top, this little piece right here, getting a bunch of foam stuck in it. That can be a safety hazard. So always dry beans need some sort of fat. We are going to fill this with water to about 2/3 of the pot. We need to like look at how many beans are in there, and at least 4 times that, because we didn't soak. Usually we would soak. Then go ahead and lock that in, Leah. We'll lock in the lid, we'll make sure it's to sealing. And on my Instant Pot, there's actually a beans button. You can look up quick charts. We have charts on kitchenstewardship.com. Certain beans are smaller or larger, so they might take from like 25 to 35 minutes total. Now, they need, the Instant Pot needs to naturally release its pressure. You can't just whoosh, like open it at the end. So it'll take about 1 hour and 10 minutes to 1 hour and 30 minutes total to cook dry beans, which sounds long. It doesn't sound instant at all, but again, that's compared to 4 to 8 hours on the stovetop. So, and you don't have to soak if you don't want to. So it's a huge time saving. So we're just gonna let this run, and then we'll drain our beans, and we'll come back in a little bit. We again used pinto beans for pinto gallo, but pinto gallo works with other kinds of beans. Can you think of other beans we've used in the past, Leah?
We use black beans.
Yep.
And we use like the orange beans.
Oh, black-eyed peas. I don't think we've done black-eyed peas with this, although they would work. But yes, black beans, kidney beans work fine. Garbanzo beans would be a little weird, I think.
Yeah.
White beans might work. You could totally do this with white rice or brown rice, and that'll come in later. It just takes longer to cook brown rice, but everything else is the same. So we are making this on a Saturday, and we're hoping to keep our leftovers all the way to next Friday, because we're Catholic and we have to be meatless on Friday. And so if, you know, it's Lent right now, if your religion happens to be giving up meat, or you can save this recipe for Meatless Monday, you can save it for like 2 weeks from now when you run out of ground beef, and you still want to have a Mexican night that's pretty fun, but you're stuck with just beans and rice left, just the non-perishables, right? So again, again, we at Kids Cook Real Food are committed to getting kids in the kitchen, connecting families together. Families have a lot of extra time together right now, and we want to make that a special time and not a stressful time. So every single day, we will be back with new videos. Leah and I have been making lists and checking them twice, and we have lots of great ideas for you for the next couple weeks if you happen to be, you know, at home. Anything else to add, Leah?
No.
All right, look cute while I go around and hit off.